ajuns în Old Dubai, Old Village. Și ne plimbăm un pic pe aici să vedem locuri mai vechi. Habar n-am unde să mergem. Nu știu. Să legi barca ceva. A, ăstea?
How are you, sir?
Good, thank you.
Yeah. Which kind of fragrance you like? Oud, sweet, fresh. I show you for you Arabic fragrance oud for you.
How much?
This one also I show you sizes, sir. This is pure oil, no alcohol.
Ah, okay, okay.
Yes, pure oil, no alcohol. If you want spray, also I can make for you spray. If you want this is spray, I have also this spray Latafa.
Nice bottles.
Yes, this one and like this.
Can I open or how is it?
Yes, this open. This is roll on MPT now. This is MPT.
Empty?
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay.
You choose.
So how much is one of
This
these?
also depend on spray like 150.
10 dirham by per milliliter.
Yes. Where are you from, sir?
Romania.
This is Arabian food.
Very nice.
This is pure food, sir, no alcohol.
So how much is this one? 10 dirham per milligram?
This is 15 dirham.
15.
Yes.
And how much is this bottle?
This is 12 ml, sir. And
Right.
this one 12 dirham 1 milliliter. Oud Mood. Also very nice perfume. Good price.
Good, but if it's no last.
This last thing. This,
No, but
this
I don't
one
know.
bottle use 4 months. I give you this kind 2 bottle. Okay, 100 ml I will give you for you 250 dirham. You want big bottle.
Put a bit on my skin and I come in 3 hours.
Good
If
bottle.
it's-
I'll show you
How
this
much is the
kind.
Dubai chocolate here?
Dubai chocolate? This 200 gram, 25 gram.
I love the smell, but I hope it's gonna last.
Spicy, close fragrance.
I have your video. I go on internet and I leave you comment in when I go back home.
This perfume.
Read my comment from Eric.
Winter perfume also.
Yeah. How do you say? Shukran
Yes, shukran.
in Dubai?
شكرا
Shukran.
Shukran. Yeah.
Shukran.
Shukran.
صدقة بكارة.
How are you?
Where are you from, boss?
Romania.
Oh, Haji.
Yes. Yes. Look how nice it is.
Yeah.
Madam,
My
for you,
God.
no, bring.
Nice, huh? Camel?
Like Shakira.
Oh, look at this one. The font.
Yes.
Wow.
For safari, you can wear like this.
Nice. Nice. You look like local now.
Come and shoot for your Arabic dress. This is not polyester cotton, this pure cotton.
Pure cotton.
Yes. One is coming like polyester cotton. Polyester cotton is not good, but not too much like people. But cotton is very good. Cotton material is many Arabic people, tourist people, many like the cotton material.
And if I go like this
Yes.
in Dubai, no problem?
No problem. Yes,
Because
yes.
I'm not.
Yeah, no
Arabic.
problem. You not Arabic, but you're too much respect.
Yeah?
Arabic people for
Yeah?
you. Yes.
So no.
No problem.
Bad
No
look.
Yeah, you're looking now local. Now Arabic people looking for you very happy.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Oh my God.
And what is this?
Your friend gave me this one.
Oh, it's so strong.
It's good for the. I buy for him because him sometimes have problem with the.
Your son?
Yeah. So I'm gonna put this in hot water and give him to breathe a bit. If we had
Good
3
for
weeks.
you. Every people, no
Yeah?
problem. You can smell. This one is very good.
Yeah, it's good for the nose and
The
stuff.
winter come maybe little bit coming problem for the nose. You can smell. No
Smell
problem.
and it's
Yes,
going, yeah?
Yes. Oh, small sheikh, huh?
Nice.
Welcome to Dubai.
And if you want chocolate, I have chocolate.
Now it's melting.
No chocolate?
325.
Everything. My price is.
I don't know your money, I know my
listen,
money.
Okay, how much last price? 365 cash.
No.
You test it?
You want
Chocolate?
325.
Okay, give me.
If not, for me it's too much.
How much? 365?
325.
You said 365. Give me 340, okay?
65. Oh, no, it's too much. No.
340.
Okay,
340. You happy, okay?
Ok. Moarți de 65 de lire. Am luat. You eat quick.
You can share, guys. You buy chocolate, we have ice cream also, you can share.
They have mango, strawberry, Oreo.
Oreo.
Lamps, small carpets.
Yeah, very nice.
We call people, come inside. They don't even
It's 15 pounds on Amazon, that Arabic costume.
Okay, it's from Amazon.
Yes, not from here.
So, this one, I said, for this one, but no.
Look, Assassin's Creed. It's your same shop, yeah? Oh, this one is nice, man.
Oh yeah.
This is 150 dirhams. Sir.
It's 30 pounds. Too much. I like this one.
This one you like?
Yeah, I'll
Okay,
give
take
you.
it this one.
Give you.
You give me 200?
How much?
200 you give me?
It's 45.
45 pounds. I'll give you 100. 20 pounds. That's a lot.
120 comes.
No, 100. 100.
No cash, no here?
No, I have.
Okay, this give me 10 dirham for me.
Why?
Gift. Because I give it cheap.
There you go. You have gift. Now you give me a gift.
This side. You give me this same same.
Nu mai intru, nici că lăsați în pace. Hai să ne nu mai. Ha?
Got pulled into.
Uite și gențile alea sunt faine. Chinese. Am ajuns aici la un loc fain. De aceea să chemăm taxi, adică nu că trecem dincolo. Ce nașpa e aici? Cum ne vezi? Apasă pe ăla.
Good.
No, hai, let's carry on. Still good. I think it's gonna last a couple of hours.
Yes, so strawberry.
Da, să-ți fac sau să ne facă Maia. No, thank you. What's the smell?
Smell? Here. Good smell?
Church?
No. It's bahul.
Bohul, what's that?
It's wood. You can use for the church. You can use
Ah, yeah.
For church as well.
Come
Because
on,
we have similar like tămâie.
tămâie.
Yes.
Come I show you.
No, thank you. I'm just
Where are you from, sir?
Romania.
Haji.
Haji.
You know the dish dosh? Shakira first time came in Dubai. It's make like
She was here, yeah?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
It's make like this.
I don't know. 2.
Gold and silver.
This one and this one. How much?
Give me 35. You happy with it?
Cât e 35? 7 pounds. Merită pentru 2 cămile, merită, nu?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
De la.
Okay, 20, 25 deal.
For you?
Like in Romania, the church. It's this one.
Tămâie.
No, that's
Do you have any mints?
Mint?
Like Tic Tac?
I have some in my room in England.
My shop more cheaper. Come I show you, madam.
Do you have any?
Same one my
No,
shop 90
chewing gum.
dirham. Come.
ăla, așa?
Yes, to buy chocolates, cap, cashmere shop.
Asta mai filmează?
Yeah,
Dacă atingi, vezi, da.
Da.
it's really hot in my hotel.
Ha?
Very.
Wait, it's recording.
Yeah.
So first of all, you have to make it three-corner like this.
Yeah, you make it triangle, yeah?
Yeah, triangle. And then you can put in the head. And then big.
Put the camera up.
Yeah. Then one side from here is there.
That goes across, yeah?
Yeah. Like this. And
Look, he's from Afghanistan, has blue eyes.
Yeah.
It doesn't look.
It's very rare in our country.
Yeah?
In our country.
Yeah, look.
Yeah. Yeah.
It look like European.
He guess from India. Indian
I
have
said
dark skin, you know.
Yeah, a bit more
Yeah,
dark.
a bit more darker. Yeah, Habibi.
Habibi?
Now you are ready to make our
Nice.
contract with the chef.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
This one looks so good as well. This one as well.
There is 3 colors more popular: red and white, black and
Black and
white,
white.
and the pure white.
Only
This-
white, yeah?
Only white, yeah. This
If I go like this on the street, no problem.
no problem. Even the local
Arabic people.
No, they will even appreciate it.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
they will kill you by paying money. They will not say anything to you.
Yeah, they
Just
not-
you have to pay a high fines, and then you will be a goodie. You know.
it's like UK.
Yeah, it's the same.
They would not allow you. Look good in the sun.
Ce e aici? Ceva centrală, ceva. Nu, mănâncă, nu. Ce să fac? Mergem înapoi aici la Turcia aia. Ți-e ceva cât de cât? O fi ceva mai în față?
Yes, what do you think about magnets video?
No, thank you, we have. Magnezi n-am cumpărat. No, mai la cum erau faini. Oh, I'm alright. No, no, thank you, thank you. Need to buy food. Exact. Assassin's Creed. Altair. Altair Real.
Yeah. Right?
No, de unde luăm și noi barcă? De aia vreau și eu, uite. Uite cum merg aia.
Traveler's choice, yeah.
Dacă stai la rând aici. Oh, nice and cold. Iar Chinese poți mai, asta nu mai mănânc altul, de sătul de Chinese și de duck și de rață și de... Japonese is good then. Stăm înăuntru, e mai răcoare? Hello, hello. Bello, bello. Mellow, mellow. Fellow, fellow. Am venit acum la un restaurant japonez. Aici în vechiul Dubai. Old Village Dubai. Să vedem ce mâncare le aduce. Mie nu mi-e foame, la Maia nu e foame. O să gustăm de la ăștia doi urâții. Recording.
There's so many options I didn't know what to start.
Dar nu știu ce să alegi, o să dacă tot să cumperi.
Nu ieșim afară că e prea cald, stăm aici că bine și aer condiționat. Afară te topești. Peace.
Big bit on here on the top.
Dylan are niște orez cum îi place lui. Sticky Japanese rice. Some chicken, ceva din astea de katsu.
Panko chicken.
Katsu, cum?
Panko.
Panko chicken.
Panko se zice de fapt la ceva, la breadcrumbs.
Mami, e ceva... Iar noodles. Sper că-s mai bun ca aia din aeroport din London. Arată mult mai bine.
Ce am mâncat în aeroport?
Poftă mare. Peace out. Și acum să probăm niște noodles din Dubai. Dubai beef noodles. Ce bune. Very good. Come on, Dylan.
Dylan,
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's low for now. For now. Până iese.
Thank you, sir. Bye bye. Thank you. Taxi there? Okay, thank you. No, ce fain a fost. Cam scurt, da, și gratis.
Și foarte ieftin.
Da, un dirham per person. I-am dat 10 dirham, ăla 2 lire, 2 pounds. No, taxi, unde e taxi? Nu este taxi. Wow! Ioi, ioi, ioi.
Ai grijă la stradă.
Am văzut-o.
Și de ce te-ai împiedicat?
Nu m-am împiedicat. Ok, ne auzim data viitoare, luăm un taxi și mergem la hotel. E cald. 28 de grade. 29. Peace.